Okay. Students, just continuing the same topic which was yesterday, and that was how to grow more on the same piece of land. Yes, sir, yesterday that we can grow more if irrigation facilities are made available. Second, we also increase production applying the multiple cropping, which is also discussed earlier. The third and most important method to increase production without increasing land area under production is the application of modern farming methods and techniques. We can get higher yield if we apply modern methods in agriculture. Yield is measured as crop produced on a given piece of land during a single season. Yield एक मेजरमेंट है. किसका मेजरमेंट है? क्रॉप प्रोड्यूस का, जो फसल पैदा करते हैं, फसल उत्पादन का किसी पीस ऑफ लैंड पे और एक सिंगल सीजन में गिवन पीस ऑफ लैंड में जितना हम क्रॉप पैदा करते हैं उस पैदा हुई क्रॉप को हम यील्ड में मेज़र करते हैं, जिसे पैदावार कहते हैं. ऑफ कोर्स ड्यूरिंग 1960s the farmers in India had been using traditional seeds which needed less water and fertilizers to grow, but these seeds never gave high yields. The farmers in these days were using dung as manure instead of fertilizers. All these things they did not for all these things they did not see the markets, but it was available with them naturally. But during the late 1960s the farmers started using high yielding variety HIV seeds जो बहुत ज़्यादा पैदावार देती हैं फॉर द कल्टिवेशन ऑफ राइस एंड वीट. यूज़ ऑफ HIV सीड्स was a type of revolution in agriculture known as the Green Revolution. The HIV seeds promised to give much higher yield in comparison to the traditional seeds. Now the same piece of land is giving much larger quantity of food grains than we got before this time, but the HIV seeds need more water, more fertilizers, pesticides and insecticides for providing higher quantity of yield. The farmers of the states of Haryana, Punjab, Haryana and the West UP took advantage for the first time to apply the modern methods and techniques in agriculture. They used HIV seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, etc., and modern farming machines like tractors and harvesters for plowing and harvesting their crop. Now, the Indian farmers are growing for more surplus amount of food grains to sell at the marketplace. We see that the farmers which occupy large pieces of land, large patches of land, they are growing much more for to sell at the marketplace, and they are greatly benefited by the modern techniques. That's all for today. Thank you.